Lyles, and I'm here to talk about Colossal Biosciences and the recent developments that they've had. The most famous recent development that they've had is their de-extinction of the dire wolf. The dire wolf lived very long ago, an ancient specimen, and they claim that they've de-extincted it DNA-wise and genome-wise. I don't believe that's 100% true because it's not a one-to-one specimen of what the dire wolf was. It's actually just a genetically modified gray wolf. But what that entails is actually a little bit scarier than just a genetically modified or than an actual dire wolf coming back to life. It's actually scarier because what we've done is we haven't brought back something that once lived on the earth. We've created something completely new, and it's called a synthetic species. A synthetic species is one that doesn't develop through evolution, doesn't develop over time, doesn't take millions of years for this thing to evolve. It just happens, just through one generation, through one gestational period, because of drastic genetic alters that we made to it. So that's actually a little bit scarier in my opinion than bringing back the dire wolf. And that possibility of bringing back extinct species is not possible right now because we don't have the technology to take care of that. We need complete genomes to sequence, and we don't have that. We have fragments right now that we're working with, which is why they are using CRISPR technology to sequence those and create different alterations that will make it look more dire wolf-like. Another development that they have, though, that's more interesting to me is how it applies to the world right now. So they did another project called the Red Wolf Project, and the Red Wolf Project actually uses cloning technology and CRISPR technology to not only create more populations of red wolves in the United States, which used to be extremely vast and have a ton of habitat here in the United States, but now they're dwindling to very, very little. They're using cloning technology, and before we had cloning technology, but we couldn't reintroduce because there was so little diversity that obviously if you have clones out there, any disease or anything like that would just wipe through the entire population, so that wouldn't work. But now with CRISPR technology, we're able to make genetic alterations to the animals, and we're able to create generations and generations off of that just because of the genetic alterations, making them more diverse and less likely for interbreeding.